Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to re-edit the event details in Airmeet. Let's get started. First, log in and go to your dashboard. From there, select the event that you want to re-edit. Click on it, and on the summary section, you can click on this edit, and you can re-enter the name. You can select the event start date and end date by clicking on this calendar icons and selecting the desired dates. You can also select the event start time and end time by clicking on this clock icons. Here you can write a little description about your event. And here you can also write your organization name, the organization that is hosting this event. And if you as an event organizer want to enter your email address so that your event attendees can easily reach out to you in case they have any issues, you can do so by clicking on here and plugging in their email address. You can also select the time zone of your event by clicking on change and selecting the desired time zone, or you can also type in your time zone out here. You can also select the type of event entry by clicking on this change here and select the type of event entry and click on save button to save it. Once you are done editing this information, you can go ahead and click on save button to save this information. Your event details are saved successfully. Now, if you want to customize any other information out here, you can do so by clicking on each component. You can also select these various tabs in this dashboard in order to do various customization of your event. Well, that's how you re-edit your event in Airmeet. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.